Meaning of evolution.
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 Evolution. Evolution refers to the gradual changes in the characteristics of a population of living organisms over time, through multiple generations. These changes occur due to genetic variations, mutations, and natural selection. The ultimate result of evolution is the diversification and adaptation of species to their changing environment, leading to the development of new traits and extinction of others. This process is driven by various mechanisms such as gene flow, genetic drift, and mutation, which ultimately shape the biological diversity we see today.